Divisions of the larynx. The larynx is divided anatomically for staging purposes. It is divided into the supraglottis, glottis, and the subglottic areas. The supraglottic larynx includes the epiglottis, arytenoids, aryepiglottic folds, ventricles, and false cords. The false cords, also called the vestibular fold, is one of two thick mucous membrane folds, each enclosing a narrow band of fibrous tissue, the vestibular ligament, which is attached in front to the angle of the thyroid cartilage immediately below the attachment of the epiglottis, and behind it is attached to the anterolateral surface of the arytenoid cartilage, a short distance above the vocal process. The false cords. These are the false cords. The aryepiglottic fold is a fold of mucous membrane enclosing ligamentous and muscular fibers stretched between the side of the epiglottis and the apex of the arytenoid cartilage, on the posterior part of the margin of which is the cuneiform cartilage of Risberg, and this forms a more or less distinct whitish prominence, the cuneiform tubercle. The corniculate cartilages, however, are two small conical nodules consisting of elastic cartilage, and these articulate with the summits of the arytenoid cartilages and serve to prolong them posteriorly and medially. They are situated in the posterior parts of the aryepiglottic folds of mucous membrane and are sometimes fused with the arytenoid cartilages. It is named by Giovanni Santorini and therefore called the corniculate cartilages of Santorini. The word corniculate has a Latin root. Cornu means horn-like projections, and the projections of corniculate cartilage look like horns, and therefore the name. These are the corniculate cartilages of Santorini. Those are the aryepiglottic folds, which contain the cuneiform cartilage of Risberg and the corniculate cartilage of Santorini. The glottis comprises of the true vocal cords and the anterior and posterior commissures. The subglottic region begins 1 centimeter below the true vocal cords and extends to the lower border of the cricoid cartilage or the first tracheal ring. Therefore, the divisions of the larynx are the supraglottis, the glottis, and the subglottic regions.